If you create content, record podcasts, or take lots of meeting notes, you've probably heard of Otter.ai and Descript. Both tools use AI to transcribe, edit, and repurpose audio or video content, but they are designed for totally different goals. In this tutorial, we'll compare Otter.ai versus Descript, breaking down their features, accuracy, pricing, and which one you should use depending on your workflow. Now let's dive in. What is Otter.ai? Otter.ai is an AI-powered transcription and note-taking app designed for meetings, lectures, interviews, and online calls. It automatically converts spoken audio into real-time text, even identifying speakers and highlights key moments. With Otter.ai, you can transcribe meetings live from Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. Record and auto-transcribe in real time, share transcripts with timestamps, add summaries, highlight and search keywords, export transcripts in text or doc form. It's perfect for students, journalists, teams, and professionals who want accurate transcripts without doing manual note-taking. On the other hand, what is Descript? Descript is an AI-powered audio and video editing platform that turns your transcript into a fully editable workspace. It's not just a transcription tool, it's a full content creation and editing studio. With Descript, you can transcribe audio or video automatically, edit your video by editing text transcript, remove filler words, for example, automatically. Use AI voice cloning, which is their overdub feature, to fix mistakes. Add subtitles, B-roll, and publish directly to YouTube or whichever social media platform. Descript is ideal for YouTubers, podcasters, and video editors who want to edit faster using AI. Now, if we were to compare both platforms via ease of use, I would say that Otter.ai is super beginner friendly. You just hit record and it transcribes instantly. It's built for quick hands-free note-taking, while Descript, on the other hand, is easy to use, but it has more tools, for example, editing timelines, scenes, and AI features, so it takes a little bit more to learn. If you just need accurate transcriptions, I would recommend you go with Otter.ai as it is easier. If you want to edit and produce content, then I would recommend you go with Descript as it is worth the extra learning curve. And if we were to compare them via AI accuracy and performance, both tools use advanced AI transcription engines, but accuracy depends on use case. Otter.ai is better for meetings, interviews, and voice clarity. It handles multiple speakers well and even tags them automatically, while Descript, on the other hand, is best for recorded content like podcasts or voiceovers. The transcription is highly accurate, especially in quiet environments. In most tests, Otter.ai is better for real-time accuracy, but Descript AI provides better editing and cleanup options afterward. So if it is a case that you have pre-recorded content or that is what you mainly work with, Descript would stand out. If you would like it for live recording, then I would recommend you go with Otter.ai. And if we were to compare them via editing and creative features, this is where Descript crushes it. You can cut or rearrange video by deleting words, remove filler words automatically, use AI to clone your voice and fix mistakes, and you can also add B-rolls, captions, transitions, and music, and export directly to YouTube, Reels, or Shorts. Otter.ai, by contrast, offers basic transcription editing only. You can clean up a transcript, highlight notes, and export, but not edit media. So if your goal is content creation or repurposing, Descript wins big. And if we were to talk about collaboration and workflow, both tools are cloud-based and support team collaboration. Otter.ai is great for teams sharing meeting notes, highlights, and transcripts, perfect for corporate environments, journalists, or educators, while Descript, on the other hand, is great for creative teams, podcasters, YouTube editors, and agencies working together on media projects. So again, Otter.ai is good for productivity, while Descript offers more creativity. And if we were to break down their pricing, with Otter.ai you can get started for free, as you can see right here. And their paid plan begins at $8 per user, and it can go up to $19. And with their free plan you get 300 minutes per month. And if we were to check out the pricing for Descript, as you can see right here, their free plan offers limited transcription minutes, and also their paid plan starts off at $24 per month, as you can see right here. And for more advanced features, you will need to pay. Their most popular plan is for $35. And if we were to scroll down, you can see right here, you will get access to numerous more features. In conclusion, their pricing is very similar, but Descript gives you more creative tools for the same price range. If you're only taking notes, then I would recommend you go with Otter.ai, as it is cheaper and lighter. If you're editing videos or repurposing content, Descript value is unmatched. So, hope you found this comparison helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.